Your channel won't get even 10 subscribers if you don't do these. Hello everyone, I am Valiant and today I am going to tell you 6 points through which you can get at least 10 subscribers on YouTube. So let's get ahead. So the first point which you have to take granted, take things seriously. There are many content creators out there. You need to understand that there are many content creators out there on YouTube, and everyone is trying to just get a piece of pie from this whole big user base of YouTube. So you have to take things seriously because there is competition, but that's sure to get any kind of goal of subscribers for 1000, 10,000, or even 10, you need to be serious. Okay, now let's get ahead to the second point. Second point is stay regular. Stay regular means stay active on this platform. How can you stay active? By uploading videos on weekly basis or monthly, but your duration must be confirmed. I would suggest that upload 2 videos in a week. That would balance out your content, or a one video a week, which will create 53 videos in 1 year. If you post only one video a week, and the show must go on, if you will post your content regularly, it will give you more videos. It will give YouTube more videos about your channel to post on their platform. They can embrace your videos, they can show it to your platform. Now next, third point. The third point is quite inactiveness, your activeness also. Like in previous point I said that you need to stay active. The third point is reply to your comments. It is very powerful tool. By replying to your comments, you can interact with your viewer. Either it is hateful comment, or either it is your love that they show your viewers. You should comment. If you will comment on the video initially, if you are on 0 subscribers, if you will get a comment, that is a big thing. And if you will reply, that person can subscribe your channel, because he can relate yourself yours I'm sorry, he can relate himself to you as a content creator personally. It will give him a personal touch. Now let's move on to the fourth point. The fourth point, and in my opinion it can be the biggest point: make the videos which you would want to watch. Be the YouTuber which you want to be when you will see yourself on YouTube. Make that quality of content that you personally would want to watch, other than stranger people who want to watch on YouTube. First, you should be satisfied with your videos on YouTube. How is the editing? What is your production quality and other kinds of thing? For initial 10 subscribers, yeah, you can give your personal touches, and here and there you can do mistakes. You can try to experiment, but always review your videos before uploading to the platform. Now, the fifth point is try to organize your videos on your platform. In this point, I want to say that just add a thumbnail to your video. If you are on 0 subscribers right now and you are uploading videos, 0 subscribers, I mean 1 2, it can be any number. Okay, I am only only on 33 subscribers, but I have gained it. I have achieved that 33 subscribers. Try to organize your videos in a playlist, get a good thumbnail, script your videos. By organizing the videos, you can script your videos, you can make points which you can see as I have written on my computer screen, which is right behind the camera. And you know what I mean. You should point your videos. The videos should be in organized order. You should start a series of videos: part 1, part 2, part 3. You get me point. Okay, there are many content creators out there which are doing series 1 2 3, part 1 2 3, and they are getting views. Now sixth and final point, which is the main motive of that this platform, YouTube. You should have fun in what you are doing, whatever it is. You are making videos, you should have fun, because without fun it will not be an easy job. It will felt like some pain or some work, hard work. But if you will enjoy what you are doing, if you are enjoying in recording your videos, editing them and uploading to the videos, making thumbnail of that things, videos, then it's good. But if you are not doing this without having a fun, it's just feels like work. Honestly, I love my work on YouTube. I'm a content creator of Valorant and some other games also. This was a 30 plus subscriber special by me because I feel very proud. I haven't thought in my life that this pandemic would hit and I would start my own YouTube channel and start posting a gaming content. I was first initially thought to become a content creator of gadgets, gadgets like smartphone and other things. But now I'm in the gaming and it is all whole lot of fun for me. My old montage and all and all. So one day I thought that 30 subscribers is also achievement which I should personally celebrate with you guys, and so hence I made this video as initial who is starting with zero and he have no subscribers. He can get at least 10 subscribers from this 6 points I have uh, told you. You can go back to this video, watch it. If you have any kind of doubt, you can just comment down below. By the way guys, I'm taking this air because I'm wearing mask, as you can see, and there is not whole lot of air which is coming and I am speaking out, so it's kind of feeling suffocated. This is for this video, and yeah, this was my first video with face cam, so I'm a little bit nervous also. You can comment down below if you have any doubts. If you have not any doubt but still want to comment, just comment it down below, anything. I will reply you. You can also subscribe me if you like my reply, and you can subscribe even then also for future content about Valorant gaming, etc. If I am doing anything else, I will tell you. I do analysis also of some channels which you are going to see next video. Thank you for watching till now. Please hit that subscribe button and like button. See you in the